Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today I will discuss some important update about the MSCI index rejig in August. And after that I will discuss some important Q1 results came in the last week. And along with that, I will discuss some important global market update and Nifty 50 chart, and we'll analyze the Nifty 50 chart and discuss some important key levels for the next week. So to know the all the update about the stock market, MSCI index and everything, global market update and the Nifty 50 level, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update, indices, levels update and stock in news update, all in stock market pulse. An important inclusion and exclusion in MSCI index. I'm going to show you all, and you can see on your screen that Vishal Mega Mart, Swiggy, Vari Engineering, and Hitachi Energy included in MSCI India index in August review. So these stocks you can see included in uh, index. So it will be in focus in next week. It may be in focus in next week. तो ये 3-4 स्टॉक हैं जो कि विशाल मेगामार्ट, स्विगी, वारी इंजीनियरिंग एंड हिटाची एनर्जी एंड सोना बीएलडब्ल्यू, थर्मैक्स हैव बीन एक्सक्लूडेड फ्रॉम द एमएससी इंडेक्स. तो ये भी फोकस में रह सकते हैं फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीक. This can be a negative, the exclusion can be a negative news, and the inclusion, of course, it is a thumbs up, positive news. Other 15 stock included, also included in MSCI small cap index, which is, and 6 stock excluded. So small cap में भी 15 stock का inclusion हुआ है. एंड ये बेलराइज सीएसबी बैंक एंड ये यथार्थ हॉस्पिटल, all are the small cap stock which has included in MSCI index. And BDL, Bharat Dynamics, Easy Trip, Jan Irrigation, these all stocks are excluded from the MSCI small cap index. So all these inclusion and exclusion happen in the MSCI index. You can zoom it out and read the stocks name. Now, important Q1 result came in the last week, which was Titan, BSC, SBI. That all posted a very good result. Titan has posted very good profit, and you can see I'm showing the BSC result. It has also posted very good results. And you can see Q on Q, the revenue is grown by 13% from 847 to 950, and the PAT has grown by 9 to 10%, which has now from 500 to it has become 540. So BSC has also posted a good result, and you can see SBI, they have also posted a very good result. The profit after tax grown by 19,160 crore. NIIs increased at 41,000 crore, and of course PPOP is at you can see 30,544 crore around. So this was the short picture of the Q1 result. You can go through in detail. Of course, you should go and you can check all the Q1 result. These Titan, BSC, and SBI were posted very good results. So this I can discuss in short only. Now quickly go to the global market update, and you can see the indices of our stock market was not performing at all in last week, that I have discussed in yesterday video, also in Nifty Bank video. And even today the reason was that Trump tariff, which has now it has the Trump has imposed the 50% tariff on India. That I have discussed in yesterday video, Saturday video. I will give the link in I button. You should definitely go through that video, even for the Nifty Bank levels also, next week level also. So the because of the Trump tariff, this situation was for the Indian stock market. Even Nifty 50, Nifty Bank, and even Sensex all were down, even around 1%. They were down 1%. They have fallen 1%. And you can see the DJI and US market indices are doing very good on Friday. So they were positive overall. And if you go to the Brent oil commodity, we can see the Brent oil is trading at a lower of 65.5, which is actually good support for the Brent oil. But yes, it is earlier it reached to even 70 plus also. So it is still at comfortable position, comfortable situation on Brent oil 65 और 66 के 67 के बीच में है. So 67 is the high actually on Friday I'm talking about. And as because of the Trump has imposed the 50% tariff because of the India is importing the Brent oil from the Russia. So this reason he has actually this allegation he has made. So this because of this the Brent oil is at 67%. You should keep watch on this Brent oil very closely. And gold is also trading at high. It has even 1,01,000 around. It has reached the gold, and even silver also. So the gold and silver is on focus. They are in limelight because the stock market is not doing good at all. So the benefit is definitely goes to gold and silver. These kind of long term safe investment commodity. So these were the situation of commodity. Now quickly go to the Nifty 50 chart and we'll discuss the important key levels. But first, you see what was happening in last week. The overall from the if we see this recent high, which is 25,650, from recent high it has fallen even more than 5%. और अगर हम all time high से देखें, which is 26,270, it has fallen even 7%, more than 7% already. So this is good. I will not say very big crash, but yeah, this is a very good correction, big correction. And you can see this 200 EMA, the red line is 200 EMA and the blue line is 20 EMA. And the exactly trade the Nifty 50 is trading between the 200 EMA and the 20 EMA. सो इसके बीच में ये एकदम एग्जैक्टली स्टैंड कर रहा है. और द 200 EMA is not far away, which is 24,200. I already gave this level in my last. I kept giving this level of 24,200 already. 24,400 के बाद 24,200 I have given already. And it is looks like it is going to reach this level. If it is touching, the Nifty 50 is touching this 24,200 level, we have to watch. We should watch that here it is taking reversal or not in next week. Or agar if it's breaking this level of 24,200, it immediately it may reach to the 23,800, which you can see already a very good resistance earlier. Here here it was support, and here you can see the resistance, and even earlier here support, and here from breakout. So this line is very important, which is showing at the level of 23,800. Keep in your mind 23,800 and be mindful with the 24,200 also. I'm giving these 2 3 level, which is very important: 23,800 and 24,200. Resistance की क्या ही बात करें, but yes, this 20 EMA is the important resistance maybe for the next week. And this you can see here also, it has taken a very good resistance. Even here you can see this is a very good resistance, and from here it has fallen again with the gap down. So this line is very important. This line and this line is very important. Even this line is also very important. You can see this line, I have not drawn it, but yes, this 200 EMA line is very important. So be mindful with these 2 3 level and watch it very closely next week. Then after you can take a decision, because jumping in this market is not good. And you have to wait and watch how the market is going to react, because every single day the new tariff, new news is coming. So you have to be careful with these situation of the market. Need to watch, need to wait. So overall, we can say the already 5-7% falling already happened. Yes, for the investment purpose, long term purpose, it may be the good time coming to invest your new chunk in the market. But yes, not before any good look for a good sign, would look for a good reversal, then only start buying in a small chunk if you want. But first you have to see these 2-3 level. अगर यहाँ पे भी इसको break करता है तो then it will be very sad situation maybe. But for the short term, if I talk about the short term, I'm waiting for this 23,800 level. It should not be broken. So let's see what happens. We can only study the chart according to these tactical analysis, but the overall the situation is on in the hand of the news, that we can say in the hand of the Trump also. So we have to watch. If we finally we go for the important level, I just mentioned all these three level. इसके बाद I will definitely update in next video, but need to watch these two level for the support and resistance. For the resistance, now we need to watch this level. इसके ऊपर yes, it will be a very good for the market, but need to see. I don't feel that next week it is going to break. If next week it is Nifty 50 is breaking this 20 EMA level, this line, then well and good. Then it may give the new good upside uh, coming week. But yes, need to break this level, which is very important. So overall, I have discussed everything important, MSCI index rejig update and the important Q1 results also from the BSE and SBI and Titan also, and from the global market update. I have discussed the global market update also, and the Nifty 50 levels. So I'll repeat again for you all the Nifty 50 level for next week. Important support 24,200 and then 23,800. Important resistance is 24,800. So like and share the video with your friends and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update, stock in news update and indices weekly level update, all in one video. Stock market pulse. Signing off.